Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver can move in the next month, that's in June. See, if we look at this chart, we have seen it's a 1 year chart where we have seen that the price of silver moves in a particular price moves in this particular range, but we can see that the range is continuously narrowing. Okay, if we look at this chart here, okay, once this range, so this particular we have seen the price of silver is making a pattern that it is moving in a particular range, and and it's making a narrowing range if you look at this chart. Okay, so there is high chances that once this range is break upside or downside, we can see a further fall. But what is the I feel the possibility is an upside. Okay, if I show you the chart that the pattern is forming here is, we can see a trend line is forming here. Okay, which is continuously on the upside and it is narrowing if you look at this chart. Okay, I'll show you with one more thing. This is where we can see that the trend is continuously narrowing. See, if I see, this is what is happening here. The trend is narrowing. Okay, and if I will show you here also, see, if you look at this chart, it is narrowing, so there is high probability that if it break upside, then we can expect that there is a possibility it can make a new high. Okay, so I would like to explain here that what it can move in a month. See, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my telegram channel, link in the description. And one more mail id I have given in the description, you can mail me at that also. Okay, so what you have to please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. See, if you look at this chart, if it breaks upside, then there is a probability that it can make a new further highs. Okay, so what we can see here, that if I show you 3 months chart, okay, look at this chart. This is a 3 months chart. If you this is a 3 month chart, if you notice this chart, that I have told you that this a pattern is forming here, a U pattern. Okay, so there is a high probability that once this pattern is break upside, then we can see there can be a further rise in the price of silvers. Okay, because we have seen that it is hitting continuously a good resistance point and making a further move upside. See, if okay, so now we can see this pattern is a pattern is forming here, and if it breaks upside, see, then we can see a new highs. Okay, suppose if it goes above a level of 27.88, then there is a probability that it can touch and cross a level of 28.26. okay, once this level is touched, then there is probability it can touch a level of 28.72. okay, once this level is touched, okay, 28.72 is touched, then there is a probability that it can bounce back from here. Okay, or if it breaks this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 29.16. okay, once 29.16 is touched, then it can touch a level of 30 also, and it can cross this 30. But before that, there is a resistance at 29.29 and at a level of 29.84. okay, if it cross this level, then there is a probability that it can bounce back from this high 30.16, or if it can make a new high, which and it can touch a level of 31 also. But if you look at this price here of silver, that if it goes below a level of 27.49, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 27.165 also. Okay, once this level is crossed downside, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 26.85 also, and from there it can touch a level of 26.75 also. Okay, and once 26.75 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 26.65, and from there it can touch a level of 26.54, and from there 26.10. okay, so what we have to understand here is that since May, the price has moved from 26. 0.05 to a level of made a high of around 28. So there is a probability that there can be a movement of 2 3 dollars movement here. So what we can see in a month, that if it goes upside, then definitely there is chances it can break a new high, it can make a new high. Or if it goes below that level, then we can expect that if it breaks 26, then there is chances it can touch a level of 25.69, and from there it can touch a level of 25.15 also, and then 24.64 also. Okay, so let it break this level, then only we'll be looking for the downside. Okay, if it breaks a level of 27.44, then it can touch a level of 27.24, and from there it can touch a level of 26.75. Okay, and if this break and it stays below that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 26.13. Okay, once 26.13 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 25.95, and from there it can touch a level 25.74. Okay, so this is for my view, and if you like the video, and please give a thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.